last qualifier in 10th spot. Mogacheva is waiting anxiously to see if she will qualify. She's in 11th. Sonia Stanovska next on the course.
Already up on the split in the first split. That is between gate 6 and 7. Shout out to our Western Sydney Whitewater Club paddlers who are out there taking split times for this race. Sonia paddles also in K1. Most of our women's feet do both C1 and K1, often as well as kayak cross.
So the Slovakian was part of the team that won the team bronze in 2021. 16th in the time trial here yesterday. The world champion from the time trial is underway. Top left of screen, Elena Marks of Switzerland. Stanovska, just a 2-second penalty at 19. Might influence whether she can set the fastest time here. Furrows 105.98. So outside that, the clock continues to tick on. So 13th, 110.